Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Fairfax and Chiropractic Care Center. We got Matthew here. Matthew is in the reserves and he's driving a lot too, right? So he does a lot of driving. Yeah. He came in here, he did his own tests at the gym, I guess. He tried raising his leg and he couldn't, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you that. We already did a full exam. I'm gonna go ahead and do an adjustment and go from there. All right, Matthew, let's go face down for me. All right, Matthew. So go ahead and lift this leg for me. And this one. And yeah, he came in and he goes, I can't lift my legs. So we're gonna test that. Yeah, his hip actually lines up different. Most patients come in here, they're right-handed, they're right dominant, they go like this. His goes like this, so there's one bone, there's the other bone. So his left leg is short compared to his right leg. All right, Matthew, take a deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Good. Nice. And this is his first adjustments. All right, let's have this side up for me. Deep breath. All the way out. It's already going, man. Oh, man, that was tight. You got my shoulders too thick. Let's go this way for me. It was already moving before I even touched you. All right, relax this. Good. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good, relax. Good. One more. There it is. Man, that's tight. Let's go face it. I moved good though. That means. Do you get headaches, Matthew?
Oh, a little bit recently.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, because it's really tight right in here.
Yeah,
Deep
right
breath
there.
for me. All the way out.
Oh.
There goes your ears. One more, man. Deep breath. All the way out. Oh man, hello.
Oh man.
Your ears are bright red. You should be able to breathe better too.
Yeah.
You're gonna sleep like a baby tonight. Let's go face down for me. Let me just check everything. Man, that was good. Nice. All right, let's check this first. Let's check that alignment. Perfect. Let's see. All right, go ahead and raise this leg for me. How about this one? All right, I don't have to say much, do I? So if you're out there and you're in the gym or anywhere and you're in bed and you're checking your alignment and it's not going up as high, come on in, let's get checked. Do that again, that's awesome. That's amazing. All right, you're done. So come on in.